unresolved trauma, sexual thoughts, at attractions to opposite sex parents. Kapag narinig ko yan, isang tao lang ang pumapasok sa isip ko. And yes, itong matandang to. If you're also curious kung sino siya, then join me as we explore a brief breakdown into one of the most iconic and most controversial figures in psychology. This is Sigmund Freud. Sino ba yung matandang to? Siya ang founder ng psychoanalysis. Basically, siya yung nagsabing, what if may mga bagay sa utak natin na hindi natin alam, pero sila ang nagkocontrol sa atin? Freud introduced the idea of the unconscious mind. Yung part ng isip mo na hindi mo na-access directly, pero kaya niyang i-trigger ang emotions, decisions, and even behavior mo. He also broke down personality into three parts: id, ego, and superego. Yung id, yung sobrang impulsive, gusto ko to, ngayon na walang pake kung bawal. Ang superego, super strict siya, guilt trip lagi, lahat may bawal, lahat may rules. At ang ego, siya yung tagapagitna sa dalawang to, siya yung nagbabalanse sa gusto at sa dapat. Kung may complex sa utak mo, si ego ang referee dito. Now, let's go to the childhood experiences. So, Freud believed na most of adult problems come from the childhood, lalo na yung mga repressed memories. Yung tinatago na unconscious mo kasi masakit, nakakahiya, or masyadong intense. He also came up with the idea of psychosexual stages of development: oral, anal, phallic, latency, and genital. Kung na-stuck ka sa isang stage dahil may nangyari nung bata ka, magkakaroon ka raw ng tinatawag na fixation. Yung example nito is kung oral stage ka na fixate, baka ngayon stress eater ka, chain smoker, or laging may kinakagat. Oedipus complex, where a child unconsciously desire the opposite sex parents and compete with the same sex one. Kaya madalas sinasabi ng mga tao, si Freud, ito pa kata matandang to eh. And there you have it. Dito na matatapos ang brief breakdown kasi naman ang batandang sinasabi ng matandang ito eh. Dito ay magkasya sa isang video. And yes, marami sa theories ni Freud ay outdated na or medyo weird o weird talaga, pero hindi natin pwedeng i-deny yung impact niya sa psychology. Again, Freud may be weird, pero admit it, some of his ideas still hit hard. If you like my content, hit the like, subscribe, follow for more videos.